Anchor the adjustable hook to the purlin. Click the holder onto the hook one single action. Snap the 40 by 40 profile into the click holder. Join two profiles together with a click. Fine-tune profile height and tighten the click holder screw. Fasten solar panels with rapid clamps. Click on the end caps for protection. Every screw in this entire sequence from the hook anchor to the rapid clamp uses the same size head. One tool, no bit changes. Based on our field time studies, this reduces overall rail and panel mounting time by an average of 40% compared to standard multi-bolt systems. Less time on the roof means lower labor costs and fewer chances for errors.